Montesi Empire Parrot.
What's popping, guys? It's still your boy Montesi Empire Paris. Sorry, guys, I didn't show you the beginning of this hairstyle. Actually, I have a knotless braid at the back and the front. I make a little weaving and a little different style. So guys, I will not be describing or how I make this video or the hairstyle. I'll just leave you guys to watch this video from the beginning to the end. I know you're going to love it. And if you're coming across this video for the first time, please do hit on the red button to subscribe and turn on the notification bell in case I drop a new video. You will be the first person to receive the updates. See you guys on the next video. Please follow us on our website at montesiempire.com. We have a beautiful product in there. You're going to love it. Just visit that website. I appreciate you guys for my old and new subscribers. Guys, let me hear you on the comment section if you love this video and if this video is helpful and if it's useful to you. Don't forget, I base in Paris. If you want to make your hairstyle, I'm into all kinds of hairstyles and I do eyelashes. I do dread. Just follow up on my page and you will see all my activities and the website. Everything is there, and for ladies and for the skincare. And if you want to make your enlargement on your body and you want to change some things, you will see every product and the products using for this hairstyle. You will see it on my website. See you guys. Love you and have a beautiful weekend. Bye.
Bye.